What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to do a review of every Amazon merch product. That means every t-shirt, every long sleeve, hoodie, tank top, you name it. I bought it to review for you in this video, and I got the male and female size. So you're going to see me and Marielle review them, take them outside. This is actually some older clips that I'm going to be reusing in today's video, but you're going to see us basically do a makeshift catwalk and try to model the shirts for you while we also give you our feedback. So let's get right to it. So we're going to look at each product in real life, the physical products. But first, I briefly just wanted to share my breakdown of how many of these products I sold last year in 2022. So standard t-shirt represented 79% of my sales. I sold 15,552. After that, 742 tank tops, 717 hoodies, 566 V-necks, 546 premium t-shirts. And I'll talk about what brand the premium t-shirt was if you're wondering. 367 long sleeves, 286 sweatshirts, 225 pop sockets. Even though, by the way, if you've never used a pop socket, I'm actually a fan of these things. It looks like I need a new one here. I've got, Pablo's face on it. Anyways, I'm a fan of them. And it's nice if you ever watch, anything on your phone because you can prop it up. 216 throw pillows, 166 zip hoodies, 134 tote bags, 88 Raglans, 41 iPhone cases, 3 Samsung Galaxy cases. All right, so some of these designs are from All Sunsets. I will drop a link to them in the description. It's one of the most affordable pre-made graphic places. So if you're not a great designer, you can just take the All Sunsets designs, add some text, you can change the colors, you can edit them, whatever you want to do. You just can't resell them as is. So I typically just add some text. So I got some cool Bigfoot designs, some Zodiac, beachy designs. I did some pilot themes. I didn't really spend a lot of time on research. I was mainly just trying to review the actual products themselves, but I wanted to share that All Sunsets, if you like the designs, I didn't even have to design them. I just added text and voila. And I make a ton of sales like this, by the way, over the years. So I'll put a link to them in the description. It comes out to like $3 a month, I think. $3 a month for a membership. So that's like $36 on the year. You just pay for the annual membership. Easy peasy. All right, let's start with the standard t-shirt. As I mentioned, I sold over 15,000 of these last year alone. They come in, men's, women's, and youth fit types. I did not order a youth. The base cost, even though the screenshot is a little out of date, the base cost is actually $13.38. So there was a pricing change at the beginning of 2023. Base cost used to be $13.07. Now it is $13.38. The brand, and I don't know if you guys remember this, but Amazon merch switched their providers from whatever it was, I honestly don't remember, I apologize, to Port & Company. Now, Port & Company probably have mixed reviews. Like, I personally am not a huge fan of Port & Company, but that is the brand of pretty much all the products that you're going to be seeing me and Marielle review. So here I'm wearing the standard t-shirt. It's the red color, not the maroon, but the normal red. I've got a color contrast from the design against it that looks really nice. I've actually got some red printed on the design as well, but overall this shirt fits great, not too snug on my body, and I like it.
So for the regular t-shirt, it fits like you would think it would. Again, it becomes looser at the bottom. My boyfriend created these designs. I don't know how old he thinks I am, but ponies probably aren't something that I would personally be wearing on a shirt, but overall the design turned out really well, and you can get all the details through the horse's mane and the tail, which is really impressive.
Next product is the premium t-shirt. The brand is Bella Canvas. I believe it's the Bella Canvas 3001, probably the most popular print-on-demand t-shirt. Base cost is $15.05. So this is the premium fit t-shirt. You can see it. It's very snug on my body, on my arms. Definitely lets the muscles show through. I love the design from our buddies at All Sunsets again. I love the alien abduction design that printed beautifully. Lots of different colors. By the way, I love how the dark colors look against the heather light gray. And overall, I really like this product.
So the premium t-shirt was also very weird on me. The design turned out all right. The colors really came through. And one thing that I really do like about what Amazon merch does is that the design is never too stiff, which is a big problem for me with some of my other shirts. Although the only thing I didn't like about this was the length was too long. It becomes tighter at the bottom and the top part fits kind of weird.
Next up, the V-neck shirt comes in only a female fit type. All right, and the base cost is $15.18. The brand is Port & Company.
So in terms of the V-neck, I really did like the fit. It does become a little bit looser towards the bottom, which is kind of funny. Also, the only other thing that I noticed was that there was a couple of missing little parts in the graphic design. Other than that, that's the only shirt that I've noticed that on. So overall, everything turned out really well.
Tank tops offer a man and woman fit type. The base cost is $15.27 and the brand is Port & Company. So here I'm wearing a tank top, color white, size XL in the male fit type, and it's definitely running a little bit big on me. I personally prefer thinner straps on the shoulders. Also, I prefer a more fitted tank top. I thought my body was looking big because I'd been in the gym lately, but apparently not enough. The design from All Sunsets there says moon cheese. I think it looks great. It contrasts well, but this is not my favorite tank top.
So for the sleeveless, it's kind of really hard for me to give an accurate description of it. I did have my boyfriend order me size mediums in all of these shirts. I was having a fat day, so I decided to go with medium. So they are a little big on me. They are pretty comfortable. My only thing is that the underarm part, it comes too far down and is a little too loose. But other than that, it's nice and airy.
Real quick before we proceed, I wanted to remind you to grab my free Amazon merch mini course. It's linked in the description. All you got to do is give me your email address and I will send you one lesson a day for a week. And check out my Amazon merch Facebook group, completely free to join. So the link is in the description. All right, up next is the long sleeve shirt. It's unisex and the base cost is $17.68. The brand, you guessed it, is Port & Company. So here I'm wearing the long sleeve shirt. It is a unisex product. I ordered it in black, size large. It actually fits me pretty much perfectly. About 6 foot, so average build, a little bit athletic. You know, it doesn't really show like muscles through the arms because it's a little bit loose, but I'm sure after a wash or two it'd probably work itself out. The design, I think, printed great. All the colors look great, and yeah, I like this product.
So this one was actually my favorite. As you can see, you get such a large multitude of colors and they all turned out really well. So it looks almost like the exact design that we put on the shirt. There was really no difference. You get a different multitude of blues and greens, but they all come through even though the shading is minimal, which is really great. I'm also a giant mountain fiend, so this shirt worked out perfectly for me.
Next is one of my least favorite products in the merch catalog, the Raglan Shirt. It comes in men and women fit type, base cost $18.77, and the brand is Port & Company. So here I'm wearing a Raglan shirt. One thing that's interesting is this one came in a full length sleeve, although my girlfriend, when she tried hers on, it was 3/4 length, so that's a little bit odd. But you can see here I got the white Raglan with the black sleeves. I think the design printed really well. You can see it's kind of showing through on the green screen here on the overlay. But I love the Bigfoot design. I like the fit of this shirt. I'd probably roll the sleeves up, but that's about it.
Overall, this was the least favorite thing we purchased. The sleeves were super boxy, and I don't know why they came in 3/4 length. This is the Raglan women's shirt. The design came out well, although I would never purchase this shirt in general just because of its shape and its form. It was not very flattering on me.
Next, we have the sweatshirt. I definitely sell more of these on Etsy than I do Amazon merch. I don't know why, but it is a unisex fit. There's 5 colors to choose from. Base cost is $25.15, and the brand is Port & Company. So here I'm demoing the sweatshirt. It's unisex. I'm wearing a size large. I think it's extremely comfortable, as all sweatshirts should be. One thing I noticed is I like to roll up the sleeves on my sweatshirt sometimes, or really any long sleeve shirt, just to show off a little bit more of a muscular build. However, my forearms, which I would not consider to be too big, prevent me from rolling the sleeves up too far, but I mean, overall, I really like this product.
So I was actually shocked at how well the color gradient design came out from All Sunsets. We did a little butterfly on the sweatshirt for one of the dogs, Onyx. He's a little butterfly chaser. But overall, I really did like this sweatshirt. It is very comfortable and pretty flattering for the most part. It's a little bit bulky, but once again, you're buying in unisex, so it's gonna be, but I liked it.
Next up, Pullover Hoodie. It's a unisex fit, 5 colors available. Base cost $25.05, and it is from the brand Port & Company. I'm wearing the royal blue hoodie here. It does come in unisex, but this is a size large. Given that it runs in a unisex, I'm thinking that that's why this one ran pretty small on me. Like, there's not a lot of room, especially if it shrinks, it's probably not gonna fit after a single wash potentially. But you'll notice I got the royal blue. I really like the color, and I was able to print a multicolor design on top of it, including blue text, and it came out looking great.
So the unisex hooded women's sweatshirt is pretty good fit overall. It's pretty long on the arms, which I like. Overall, the only thing that was bothering me was the top neck part was a little too tight. The design came out pretty well. I really like the orange with the green. All the colors really showed on the gray sweatshirt.
Next, we have the zip hoodie. It's a unisex fit. There's more color options. It looks like there's 8 colors to choose from. And if you actually look at the Port & Company website, a lot of these products do have other colors available. So perhaps Amazon Merch will expand the color availability in the future, maybe in 2023, who knows? Base cost for the zip hoodie, $26.82, and the brand is Port & Company. So here I'm wearing the zip hoodie, again, a unisex product. You can see the design size is not as big as like what you would get for the standard t-shirts or premium t-shirts or, you know, the standard design space available. But anyways, as far as the fit type, this one I'd say fits pretty good. It's also a large, so it's odd that the hooded sweatshirt large was tight on me, but the zip hoodie fits just about right.
So the zip hoodie was actually one of my favorite products that we purchased. The design came out to be a little too high up on the chest area, but overall everything came out really well. The colors, the design, even the line spacing, there was no mistakes made. So I would totally buy this sweatshirt again with different designs.
We are now at the PopSocket Grip. $11.72 is the base cost. You can change the background color, by the way. If you've never uploaded one in Amazon Merch, like you can customize the background color in the app. That did not used to be the case, so they've definitely taken strides in the right direction to make it easier on us, the sellers. And shout out to the design from All Sunsets with the T-Rex there. So yeah, let's check out the PopSocket. I'm not gonna lie, I never used one prior to doing this demo, this review, but having done it now, I have to admit that I'm a believer. So I've got a Google Pixel 3 XL, and the phone case that I've got there is from my Guten review, which you can find on my YouTube channel. But as you can see here, the PopSocket's easy to apply. You just pull off the film and then pop it to the back of your phone or phone case. This design, by the way, the T-Rex, that print quality came out amazing, even though it's scaled down super small. And that's actually sold a handful of them, even though I uploaded it to Amazon Merch and just called it a test order. So people still found it and still bought it. By the way, PopSockets are so much fun to pop in, pop out, and my phone stands up perfectly. Last but not least, we reviewed the iPhone case. I don't know what the brand of these phones are. I think any like factory in China can crank out these, you know, little plastic shells, and they come out, I think the base color is white. We can customize that. Again, Merch has the background color customizer built into the app, so you can just upload your PNG design and then pick what background color you like. And I'm pretty sure Merch just colors the case, like prints it onto the case. But yeah, not sure what the brand is. Base cost is $13.84. The brand does say made in South Korea though. So if there's any hint, that's where the factory is probably located. So the phone case, this is how it is shipped, and we put it on a black background. I actually use the website merchresize.com, which makes it extremely easy to take a standard design for Amazon Merch and then switch it to a PopSocket or phone case, etc. By default, they'll put it against a black background, and as you can see, print quality came out amazing. The distressed text still shows through, and it came out a little bit glossy, and I think it looks great altogether. I don't have an iPhone 8 or 7 to put it on, but as you can see, I'm struggling to get my camera to focus in there on the distressed text. But yeah, I think this looks amazing. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please let the YouTube algorithm know by hitting that like button. On my way out, I want to remind you, I have a full Amazon Merch course walking you through how I went from tier 10 to tier 200,000 and made over $80,000 profit on Amazon Merch in 2022. You can learn more using the link in the description. Also, I have a private community where I do weekly live streams and office hours. I actually just did office hours before I recorded this video. You can join. You can take 40% off. Use the link in the description to do so. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video.